Hi Sang, hi Frank. This is a review on how to add coupons and discounts to your store. So as usual, we start out here on the dashboard when you first get logged in. What you want to do is come down here to WooCommerce, and you can see when you hover over that, you get a submenu, and you want to come right down here to coupons. Go ahead and click on that. Now at the moment, there are no coupons created yet, so you come right here and you click on Create Your First Coupon. And then we get some options here for how to do that. So there are 3 tabs here for controlling the coupons. The first thing you want to do is to give it a name. And this is what the actual code that people will type in. So I don't know, you can give it a full name or you can give it a code, whatever you want to do. But that's whatever you put in this top field is the code that they're going to have to type in. So we could make it friends and family, F&F 30. And then right here we'd say friends and family discount good for 30 days. Now here we can choose the type of discount, whether it's a fixed cart discount no matter what they're buying. So if they bought like 10 different pairs of shoes and it's a certain amount off once they get to the cart, that's what this is. If it's a percentage off, then you choose percentage discount, or if it's a fixed product discount, you choose that, and then it's an amount off a particular product. So in this case, since it's friends and family, I'm going to assume it's a percentage discount. We'll choose that. Right here, we'll type in 30%. If we want to give it a expiration date, you can choose that right here. So I'm just going to go ahead and choose the 31st. The next part here is usage restriction. So if you only want to give that if they spend a certain amount, you can set a minimum here, you can set a maximum. Say it's a percentage off and you don't want them to buy you out of house and home, you can set a cart maximum that it's good for. So let's say you only want the 30% to apply to the first $500 worth of their purchase. You can put it right here. If you don't want it to be able to use with other coupons, all of this stuff is pretty self-explanatory. All of this is described right here. If you already have something on sale and you don't want it to be able to be used for something that's already on sale, you can check here. If you want to exclude something, so let's say you're handing out to friends and family and you're afraid that one of your wholesalers might have the product and use it for the gym shoes. Right here, we could enter the gym shoes. So if we wanted to exclude the up mocks to keep them from using it on that, you can enter multiple products here so that it's exclusive of those. If we want it to be only good for certain products or only good for certain categories, or we want to exclude certain products or exclude certain categories. Usage limits. This last one is usage limits. So limit use per coupon if you only want it to be good. Maybe you want to create a coupon that's particular to a particular client and you only want them to be able to use it one time. Right here you could say it's good only one time, or it's good only 2 times, or it's good 10 times, however many times you want them to be able to use it. And then right here, this is similar to the other field. So if it's good for everything in the cart, or you only want it to apply to the first certain number of items, and all of these have these little question marks here that kind of tell you a further explanation of what these things mean. So limit usage to X items, you would enter the number of items that you want to limit it to. So just like it says here, maximum number of individual items this coupon can apply to when using the product discounts. If you leave it blank, that means it's good for everything in the cart. And then here, how many times it can be used. So can they come back and use it again and again and again, or is it only good for one time per user? This is only going to work if the person creates an account or if they use the same email if they're checking out as a guest. So this isn't a perfect system. People can get around this if they use if they check out as a guest and they use a different email each time. But you know, anybody who's not trying to do an end run around here, it's going to limit them for that. That's pretty much it. So you just need to enter a coupon code, a description, choose what type of discount it is. Then once you choose the type of discount, the amount that it's good for, you can't do this free shipping. If you want to do a free shipping option, we're going to have to set up a free shipping option for you. You'll need to discuss that with us. The expiration date, any restrictions that you want to put on right here, and any usage limits go in this third tab. That is it. Let me know if you have any questions. Thanks.